Good morning from the mountains of Gran Canaria. I just parked the car there and I'm heading up this trail. I'm planning to do this trail over here, Llanos de la Pez, Pico de las Nieves, Degollada de los Hornos. So hopefully it wouldn't be too bad. It's about 7 kilometers or so. Lovely day, no clouds at all. It's a little bit chillier than down there. Obviously we're at higher elevation. It's about 14-15 degrees Celsius. I brought a hoodie with me, but I don't think it's needed. It's quite nice. So it took me about an hour and a half to get up here from Las Palmas. Crazy windy road. Not the worst I've seen, but yeah, it was pretty extreme, so I didn't film anything. Could have been a little bit dangerous. And yeah, just look at these Canarian pines. Vegetation up here is amazing. Such a difference from obviously the lower elevation areas. Some areas of this national park supposed to be quite arid, so we'll find out soon what the landscape's gonna be. There should be some nice views across to Tenerife, Teide of course. I've been there a few years back, I think it was 2017, and we went up Teide in the morning, watched the sunrise. It was just amazing. One of a kind experience, totally recommend that. And at that moment I said, well, I need to get back to the Canary Islands at some point or another, and here I am. These islands are just amazing. Just a variety of landscapes and mountains and lush vegetation at some point, and then other areas is just very arid. Gran Canaria I found to be quite similar to Tenerife in the sense that it depends which part of the island you go, the climate changes, like a microcontinent of some sort. Oh, I just love these Pinus Canariensis. So I think my first stop on this trail is gonna be Pico de las Nieves, the highest point on Gran Canaria, which is about 1900 meters high. I have no idea, bear with me 1 second. Okay, so Pico de las Nieves, 1949 meters tall, the highest point of Gran Canaria. Here we go, Pico de las Nieves, circular walk. Interesting yellow building in the middle of the woods. Okay, so the trail starts to climb a little bit. Not too bad, not too bad. It's so quiet in here. You can hear every bug and every bird. And there's absolutely no wind at all. Such a nice change from Las Palmas, where just thousands of people. It's nice though, if you like that sort of stuff, but I have to show you one of these pine cones. They're humongous. Where's one when you need one? There we go. Have a look. And these are quite small though, compared to some of the other ones I've seen. Nice. You'll hear a lot of huffing and puffing from my side going up this mountain. Whew, I'm seriously out of shape. What an interesting looking plant. Wonder what this is. Quite a few around. They have these big stalks. Okay, so this trail keeps going up and up, and I was wondering, how come I'm so out of breath? I'm out of shape, but I mean, not that bad. And it just occurred to me, I just came up from elevation 0, from sea level, to almost, what, 1900 meters in less than 2 hours. So yeah, change of elevation really skipped my equation for a second there. But look at that view, man. That's I don't know if you can see it from there, but that's Roque Nublo, and Teide behind it. Oh, I have to take a photo of this. Hold on. Wow, okay. Landscape really changes from here. Pico Las Nieves. Up the hill again. Wow, just look at this place. This keeps getting better and better. Wow, that's a long drop there. We're definitely at high elevation. Freaking hell. I think we're going up that way. There's some type of a dome or telescope or observatory, something up there. We'll check it out on our way. Oh, I'm so excited. And over there, I don't know if you can see, is, I think it's a Ventana del Moro or Moto, something like that. There's a window basically in that cliff in the middle. We'll have a closer look. The views keep getting better and better. Whew, almost there. I think another 10 minutes or so. Wow, that keeps stopping because first of all, I'm out of breath. Second, the views are stunning in every direction. Can't wait to see all the way around. Oh, what a beautiful day, man. There's some clouds coming in though. Let's go and miss those, otherwise we'll be seeing absolutely nothing. Okay, that must be some type of a telescope or antenna of some sorts. Getting there, almost there. Quite a few people up top, because an easy way to get to Pico de las Nieves is by road. There's a road coming up the other side, but holy crap, look at this. Look at that view. To jump across this rock here, have a nice sit down. Wow, holy crap, that's a lovely view. You can see the top of Tenerife there with Teide, and the top of the caldera all the way around, and Roque Nublo. Hopefully I can make it there today as well. But holy hell, this is beautiful. I'm in heaven. Okay, almost there. You can already see the road. Quite a few people on top there. I mean, I could have driven up here, but I mean, a nice walk is a nice walk, isn't it? Plus I want to do a little circular walk around here going back. So as you can see, made it almost to the top. Top I reckon is over there somewhere, and you can easily come up here with a car if you're lazy, but I mean, it's worth it anyway. I mean, not everybody wants to walk up hills all the time. Whew. Oh, refreshments, perfect. Gonna get myself a nice lemonade. Definitely some type of antenna. But the top is right there. There we go. Made it all the way to the top. Okay, I'm back in the wilderness. And I'm just backtracking a little bit so I can get back on my circular walk. I might make a detour there. If I can make it to Roque Nublo, that would be awesome. Otherwise, I'll get back on the road and get the car and drive a little bit further and just walk up from there. As from this distance, it just looks amazing. But hey, everything's amazing around here. What I find quite interesting, and it shows how the climate changes according to where you are on this island, is look how green those hills are. It might not look very green on the camera, but all those hills over there in the mountains, all the valleys are green and lush, as opposed to the southern part of the island is just barren, just a proper desert. The temperature up here at the moment is 15 degrees Celsius, but I feel like it's a little bit warmer than that. Now, which way to go? I think I came up from that side just to, whoa, almost fell. Just to have a better view. You can see all the banana plantations down there covered with that mesh. Towards the, I think they're banana. Last time I was on Tenerife, all the banana plantations had this mesh over them, probably to keep away some type of insects or animals or something like that. Oh, look at that drop. Jeez. Beautiful. Let's keep on going. Okay, just reaching the crossroads that we seen earlier, and I came from that way, so I'm going that way straight ahead. Let's see what that little sign says. Can we reach Roque Nublo as well? Probably yes. Let's see. Los Hornos and Roque Nublo, and the circular walk of Llanos de la Pez. That's the one. So nice and cool in here under these lovely Canarian pines. It kind of reminds me of the Scots pine forest in Scotland. Kind of similar. I wish I can record the smell over here. It's just the sweetest pine tree smell that you can imagine. Oh, it's just wow. I've been walking for about 20 minutes. Haven't encountered one single soul. I mean, most of the people come to Gran Canaria to relax on the beach, have a beer, so on and so forth. But I mean, come on. There's Roque Nublo, or the Rock of the Clouds, and the trail all of a sudden heads down that only means one thing. We're gonna head back up. But Roque Nublo is not part of my original circuit. But if I can, if it's not quite out of the way, I'll include it. I mean, it's right there. I mean, it shouldn't be that bad. But we're gonna see. I mean, there's absolutely no one around here. Nada. Or nadie. Sorry. Lo siento. Okay. So, just reached another intersection over here. Have to figure out which way to go. So, one way is taking this trail. Don't know if you can see it. Ooh, and going back where I started from. But I really want to see Roque Nublo, which is all the way over there. So let's have a quick look. Not any of those. There we go. Roque Nublo. Or the circular path of Llanos de la Pez. Jesus. Okay. Seems to be quite similar anyway. So 3.7 kilometers that way. I think I'm gonna do that. We're at the place called Degollada de los Hornos. 1,720 meters. I was trying to figure out what that means in terms of Degollado de los Hornos. Degollado, decapitated or something like that. De los Hornos, of the chimneys. So I'm wondering, there's one big mountain, there's another one. This might be the decapitated chimney or mountains or something like that. Don't know. Well, let's keep moving, and we'll see where we end up. I really want to see Roque Nublo, so it's not too far away. 3.7 kilometers. I think today is gonna be an exhausting day. It's getting interesting. It's getting really interesting. Oh God, look at that. Jeez. Roque Nublo straight up front. I'm just fascinated with arid landscapes and cliffs and mountains and islands, and this is like everything I love in one big package. That's why I'll probably come back to the Canary Islands again. Hopefully it won't take another 5 years. And I stumbled upon a lake. There's a dam down there, a tiny bit of water at the bottom. This bridge is just amazing. Let's keep going because there are beautiful views on both sides. Let's see if it opens up a bit. I think there's a road underneath us, or on the other side. Oh, there it is. Because Pico de las Nieves is just behind those trees there. Let's see if we can get a better view. Whew. Look at that. And there's the Roque Nublo. Whew. I'm definitely huffing and puffing. Well, there's not much water in there, but if you want to collect water somewhere on these islands, I guess this is the best spot. Oh, and up there, Pico de las Nieves. Now, how the hell did that happen? Jeez, alright. You would think this would bend. Oh no, this would definitely bend faster than that piece of metal there. Anyway, let's keep on going. Yeah, the trail is starting to get a little bit rocky, but still not too bad. I think we have to go up this way somewhere. I have absolutely no clue. We're gonna figure it out. I'm guessing this way. There's something that looks like a trail. This old lava flow. Oh, Jesus Christ. Tomorrow I'm not doing anything. Beach day tomorrow. Jesus. Alright. Let's go. Trail must be around here somewhere. This is the trail. Okay. Let's keep moving. So, I just checked. I'm on the right trail. Oops. And this is El Montañón. 1,762 meters, if I'm not mistaken. Oh my god. Okay. What an extremely lovely day. I mean, there are absolutely no clouds anywhere. The first few days I've been here, I couldn't see the mountains. There were just clouds everywhere. Let's see now. Am I on the right path? I see a sign up there as well. That's the reason I'm a bit dubious. We'll see. Yeah, maybe I can take this trail instead of the one on top there. Whew. Okay, a little mountain. Guess I conquered you. Oh my goodness. Can see Roque Nublo there. Oh, not far away now. Let's keep on going. Okay, I think this is the last stretch. Unfortunately, I have to go down all the way there and then head up again. Wow, Teide looks amazing from here. By the way, I was mistaken. That's El Montañón. I was underneath it. Anyway, I have to find a trail going down somewhere around here. And then, Jesus Christ, I have to come back up. It's gonna be one hell of a day. Oh my gosh. This trail is gonna be way harder than I thought. But we made it up until here. We're not gonna waste time. Just I'm gonna have to go down that way, unfortunately. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be one hell of a day. I'm gonna be knackered tomorrow. Okay. That's not too bad. Oh, I've read that there were some very interesting caves that the Aborigines used. Wonder if these are the ones. Ugh, this is steep, man. Okay, let's keep on moving. I'm really gonna cry when I'm gonna come up this route again, because unfortunately I have to backtrack a little bit. So let's see. It's really not the place to get a sprayed ankle. Oh my god. Fucking hell. Huge valley over there. Hope to God I'm not gonna have to go all the way down there, but I'm pretty sure I'll have to. Oh, anyway, let's keep on going. Can you hear that? Loads of wasps. These cliffs are absolutely filled with wasps. Nearly there. Not really, but trying to get in a good mood. So from here you can kind of see the whole route we took. I parked somewhere over there at the bottom, then went up this way, up Pico de las Nieves, underneath that mountain over there, on that ridge. This mountain to the right of us, can't really see it, came down. I'm walking on another ridge towards the big rock in front of us. There might be another trail that would take me straight down to the car, so fingers crossed I don't have to backtrack all of this, but at least a portion of it, because I know there's a trail in the middle somewhere. We'll figure it out. So it looks like I reached the road again. There are loads of cars down there. Hopefully somebody is selling some food, because I'm getting hungry. I have some snacks in the backpack, but you know how it is. And on the other side of that road, between the trees, Roque Noblo. How many times did I say Roque Noblo on this video? Well, the trail looks much better. Oh, look at this thing. On this side of the road, loads of people parked behind me. Guess coming up here to take in the views as well. I mean, seriously, look at that. It looks like I'm in luck and I don't have to backtrack. And there's another trail that kind of cuts through the middle, and I end up where I started. That's the plan, hopefully. I'm pretty sure this video is going to be me breathing for like 20 minutes, or trying to breathe. Just a little bit more to go, but I'm entirely losing the will to live here. It's just there. Come on, you can do it. Hold on. Whew. Okay, is this it or no? We have another sign in front of us. Okay, another 500 meters to go. We can do that. Now there's 200 meters to go, so I'm dead. I'm dead. I haven't walked this much in years. And it keeps going up. Let's see. Oh, this looks like from the Western movies. Oh, come on, legs. You can do it. You can do it, Zoltan. Almost there. Honestly, I'm probably gonna eat something, have a beer, and I'm gonna sleep until the day after tomorrow. Fucking hell. Made it to the top. Wow, okay. Almost to the top. Finally made it. Now it's time to sit down in the shade and relax for half an hour. Oh god, it took some effort. I'm really knackered. Even the thought of going back to the car now, it just frightens me. Now, we are not going to do that. Okay, there's a bit sketchy there. There we go. Wow. Remind me not to go anywhere near the edge. I think you can go all the way around, but based on those steep cliffs, I'm not gonna risk it. At least not in this state of mind. Totally exhausted, hungry, thirsty. So I think I'm just gonna sit down here and relax for a while. Oh my god, you can see we parked somewhere over there and then went all the way around that ridge, up there, down, and came back up again. Wow. Oh, you can see probably Las Palmas. Yeah, in the distance there. That's pretty cool. Okay, well, I'll probably look horrible at this stage, but had a bit of a rest over here in the shade underneath Roque Nublo. And I think the car park where I left my car is just down there. So I seen a trail that goes that way. So I'm gonna try that. And hopefully I don't have to go all the way up there and then down again. Probably not.
Слышите?
I just couldn't help myself. There are some interesting looking caves just off the path. So I thought I better check them out while I'm here. Let's see now how to approach this. Whew. I've heard of many caves around the area that were used by the native population, pre-Hispanic population. I wonder if this was one of them. Well, they're not very deep, but interesting nonetheless. Okay, time to head back to the main trail and finally get back to the car.
You take part?
Okay, so my camera's battery died, so I'm continuing on with my phone. Got myself a nice cheese and chorizo sandwich. Chorizo from Terror, nice little town up the hills. I went there a few days ago. Nice architecture. There's nice Christmas market going on over there. So it was Sunday as well. So I think they have a Sunday market regardless. But hey, my phone battery is kind of dying as well. So I'm just gonna stop filming until I reach my destination. We'll see. I think I can see my car from here. Finally made it. Jeez. It's been an amazing walk. Loads of ups and downs in terms of elevation and in terms of mood. But it's been amazing. The scenery was amazing. The vegetation is amazing. Yeah. Oh my god. I think it's time for a nice shower, a cold beer. I think that's it for today. Well, I'll see you guys next time, and thanks for watching. Take care.